Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will clean air conditioner and I will tell you how to do it properly. First of all, you can turn on your air conditioner. Just a second. And try to see is it work before any cleaning devices. Just check, and you will do it after cleaning also. Now I will start to do it. First you need to unplug air conditioner. Clean these filters. You can see how it's dirty. Okay, and when I wash this, I will come back. Important is to turn on this side because dust can to go out. Only water is enough. At home. Okay, fine. Okay, this air conditioner is clean inside a little bit. Yes, and you can see here dust on this air blower or air ventilator over there. You can see, and I can turn off. How to I will try to take off this one. The best here is wipe it. Just wipe it. This. You can see now dirty place and clean. Wait a second, this is clean and here is not clean. And what you need to do, just put inside wet cloth and erase this dust. Okay, I need 2 hands now and I will stop. Now I finish cleaning this air condition and now I will check is it ready, is it work. Once again, don't do this at home because I am air conditioner installer and I know how to do it and clean it. Okay. And now you will see that my battery is not good. I need to change. Okay. You see that my display not see anything. Right, perfect. Like, share and subscribe my channel. I think it is important video. Have a great day and enjoy. Bye.